Oh, the ball. You're the ball guy.
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
I got that.
You got the flyer. Isn't that ridiculous?
Yeah.
Riding a motorcycle isn't dangerous. Going to court is dangerous in America. Yeah. Now, what's scary in this instance is the fact that I have a free press access lawsuit against Ayotte, Senator Kelly Ayotte. Now, she and Senator John McCain love to throw black reporters out of events, yet they claim race has nothing to do with it. All right, now, Judge Barbadoro has to face the fact that there's a huge specter of influence against Magistrate Judge Landra B. McCafferty, who made every adverse ruling she could against me in the TRO hearing. This influence is wrought by McLane and Graff. Now, look at this frontline assembly of contacts, substantial contacts between McLane and Graff. You've got Judge Muirhead there, who trained McCafferty. You've got Jack Middleton, a founding partner, who was McCafferty's boss. Look at his career. He's been there forever. He should know that, better than to ignore these issues. You've got Ayotte, who worked there. Okay. You've got Jennifer Parent. She's co-counsel to Jack Middleton. I mean, look at her accolades. Look where she's been. Things about justice and things of that nature, equality. She didn't do anything. She didn't say anything. Look at the specter of influence, okay? It's unreal. And it's clear by the New Hampshire and any other state's judicial canons of ethics that I should have been notified of these sets of relationships. But I wasn't. It's dangerous. You were at the courthouse, were you?
Yes,
I thought that was you.
Yeah.
First King. Oh, the ball. You're the ball guy.
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
I got that.
You got the flyer. Isn't that ridiculous?
Yeah.
There comes a time in your life when you have to sit back and analyze the situation and say, look, I'm not going to take this any longer. And there is no judicial ethics professor or judge who will honestly tell you with a straight face that it was permissible for me to continue in ignorance at that TRO hearing, given the relationship, continue in ignorance of the relationships that existed. It's implausible. I discussed a case from the First Circuit down here where Judge Toro recused himself for much less than that. So, I've been through these events before. I've practiced, I've litigated, I've won, I've lost. And each time there was a potential conflict of any nature, the judge always made it clear. And that's what should have happened this time. And the fact that it didn't should send alarm bells throughout the United States judiciary. So to recap then, this is what I said several months ago about this situation. The McLane attorney should have told me this. Jack Middleton, had been practicing law since 1956, 10 years before I was born. He should have told me. Jennifer Parent should have told me. Jennifer used to work with Kelly Ayotte. Kelly used to work for the same firm. Of course, Her Honor worked for McLane Graff about a year before Kelly was there, so it's a little too tight not to disclose that.
Difficult, but not impossible.